Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, thanks for stopping by, and if this is not your first time, thanks for stopping by as well. It's pretty late. I should have done this like way when I started my channel, before I posted like all the many videos and all that shit, but I didn't get a chance to do that. I still but I decided to do something, to come up with something today, and it's the get to know me tag. Many of you guys watching, you think you know me, you don't know me, but and a lot of people still don't know the kind of person I am. So I think this would give everybody an idea of the kind of person I am, my personality, things I like and things that I don't like, and all that shit. And then frequently asked questions in terms of what camera I use, what editing app I use, because I get that question, I get like those questions like a lot. So I'm going to be answering everybody's question. I sent I sent a message on Facebook, Instagram and Snapchat to send me questions if you had any. A couple of people sent in their questions, and I'll be talking about those. I'll be answering those questions right after I answer like all the normal questions you get. If you're about to watch this video and you still haven't decided to subscribe, please subscribe. You're gonna enjoy this video, alright? So the first question is, no, that's not the first question. What is my full name? My full name is Marianne Okonkwo. My middle name is Adobe. I pretty much don't have any other. Okay, yeah, Kate, and yeah, that's basically my full name. What does your name mean? Like, I'm the wrongest person to ask. I have no clue what my name or my names mean. So after this video I might go and look it up, but I don't think I would have that time, I beg. So I don't know what my name means, so sorry about that. Let's move on to the next question. Where am I from? I'm from Nigeria. I'm from Anambra State in Nigeria, precisely in Ihiala. All the Igbo people, yay! Anyways, I'm Igbo, in case you didn't already figure that out from my surname or from where I am from. Now you know that I'm Igbo. So where were you born? I was born in Lagos, Nigeria, on the 9th of June 1995. So I'm 22 years old. Yeah, I'm 22 years old. Those of you that will be saying I look older than my age and all that shit, girl, I'm not that old. I beg. I'm just 22. I'm going to be 23 this year, but 22 plus. Which of your parents are you closest to? Like, I'm not close to any of my parents. Like, as I am like this, I think I'm more of a me kind of person, you get. So I'm not really close to anyone aside, say, maybe my boyfriend. Yeah, maybe him. What's my favorite food? It depends. Like, sometimes I basically eat like every freaking thing, but other times I can be like very selective. For swallow, I love okra soup. I don't really like akuba. Like, I try to avoid it. Anytime they're cooking in the house, if they make swallow, like, I'm not going to eat. I would rather starve than, because I don't know, maybe it's my body. Like, once I just take like few swallows, you see my hand, see my tummy, as if I don't already have big tummy that I'm dealing with. So why should I add to my problem? I love jollof rice, especially if it's made by a Yoruba person. I don't know, but sorry, Yoruba people make like the best jollof rice, and I love Yoruba jollof rice. That's the party jollof rice. Then oh my god, I love chocolates. Like, you can basically kidnap me with chocolates. Aside from chocolates, chocolate should be at the top, so because I love chocolate. What's my favorite drink? My favorite drink, I won't say I'm an alcoholic, but I love wine, white wine precisely. But you know, when you're talking about drink, I'm thinking you guys are asking for a drink that I take like often, like every time. that would be Pepsi. It depends. At one point I used to love La Casera so much until it started irritating my throat, and then I had to change. I went to Fanta. After a while, Fanta started doing the same thing with La Casera. Then I moved on to Pepsi. Currently my favorite is Pepsi, but if they don't have Pepsi I can manage Coca-Cola, but I'm not like a big fan of Coca-Cola like some people are. Like if there's no Coca-Cola, they won't take anything. I'm not like that. Like if there's no Coca-Cola, please give me Pepsi and I'm good. And I think it's because of the taste. Pepsi is more of like the combination of Coca-Cola Original and Coke Zero, and that's like perfect, because Coca-Cola is too sweet and too gassy, so I really don't like it. By the time I take it, my tummy will just be feeling bloated. Like favorite ways to pass out time. To pass out time, I usually like replying my messages on social media. If I'm not doing that, I love like doing makeup and taking pictures, like duh. Anyways, I just watching movies on my laptop. My favorite snack, I love biscuits, like wafers. Aside that, maybe burgers. Like I'm addicted. There's just one place that make like the best burgers in Lagos, and possibly like the whole of, okay, maybe not in, while I was serving in Taraba State, there's this place called Oven Fresh. Their burgers were top notch, like on point. Then there's this restaurant called Orchid or Orchid something Ajaro Ikeja. Their burger, oh my god, like on point. Anyways, my biggest regrets, I have a couple of them, but I don't think I should start mentioning them or saying them. The main thing is that I've learned from them, and you know, I'm gonna move on, so there's no need dwelling in the past. And I'm definitely a dog person. Like I have seen like a couple of cats, but cats are not my thing. Like, but dogs, like those cute dogs, those small dogs that don't go, like those very small ones, aside from Chihuahua or every other fluffy, you know, and all that stuff. Yeah, if I do get married and start a family, I will definitely have like 2 dogs. My god, yes, I'm scared of heights, and there's this other thing that I'm scared of. Like I hate, maybe if I'm in a bus or a car and then there are like big vehicles beside us, like all those lorries or container buses, like they are so scary. Honestly, many Nigerian guys are liars. Like they are liars. Anyway, we'll get to one part where I'll have to tell you guys about my experience. I think with my first boyfriend, that guy is an idiot. My favorite color, you guys should already know. I use that color like every fucking time. Don't say it's cliche or anything, but pink is my favorite color. Actually red first and then pink. I have 3 here and 2 here, so that's 5 piercings altogether. Birthmark, I don't know if you guys would have been watching my videos, you'll notice that I have like a black dot just above my brows. I have them like several places, I think about 15 or 20, like different spots. And then I have my unique birthmark, which is this. It looks like a bun, but it's not a bun. This was actually how I was born, and I get like people asking me like every time. I get so tired. Were you a born victim or something? Like I get so tired of telling them I was born like that. So it's not fire incident or anything. This is actually how I was born. Favorite subjects in high school? I love biology. After biology was literature, and after that, yeah, basically those 2. Maybe CRK, but my favorite was biology. It was so nice. Describe yourself in a sentence. I think a confident, hardworking lady. That's all. Next question, please. Most embarrassing moment. Okay, so we're doing like food and nuts. I was doing like food and nuts. It's a subject in secondary school, so we had to go to the market to buy food stuff. And trust us now, we boarders, because I went to a boarding school, we were always looking forward to that moment, because we know that after going to Yaba, because my school was very close to Yaba, Rega Memorial Baptist Girls Secondary School. What a mouthful. Anyways, so we always look forward to our practicals because we got to go out. Sometimes we'll stop by at Ozone, you know, see some fine boys, scope them, you know, smile, you know, buy stuff and all that. and those of us that had boyfriends, they would come and see us at Ozone and all that stuff. So back to my story. We went to Yaba to buy because for that practical I was making egusi soup with eba. So I went to an Igbo woman that was selling egusi melon seed, grinded melon seed, and she was, after I gave her the list, she now asked me if I had bought something. So what she said was, sure you don't buy, sure you don't buy maybe stockfish. And I was like, yes, I don't buy them. And you know how Yaba was then, like, not this Yaba now that they've cleared everywhere. Like, there were lots of people. I just noticed that everybody turned and they were looking at me. See, I felt like the ground should just open and swallow me because I was so embarrassed. Like, how can somebody who is going to school tabo in Pidgin, like, that is the height. Like, that is the height. I was so embarrassed. Today it gives me shivers, but like if I go there, nobody would even remember my face from then. But I was so embarrassed, guys. And there was this. So what inspired me to go into makeup art? This is a question from Ebuka. His handle is Woody Hairs on Instagram, my friend. So he asked me what inspired me to go into makeup. Like right from day, I've always loved like makeup, and it used to be so fun. And it's just something that I really enjoy. Like right now, I don't have a lot of subscribers on my YouTube channel, but I'm not stopping because it's something that I love. The same thing with my Instagram. Like people will follow you today, tomorrow. The same people that followed you won't follow you. Me, I don't even have the strength to go and start downloading app to find out who unfollowed me or followed me. That shit, like, it's ended in 2017. This is 2018. If you like, follow me. If you like, unfollow me. That one is your business. But all I know is that it's something that I love, and if you love something, you should just keep doing it, even though you're not like making a lot of money from it yet. But just be hopeful because the sun, and I mean aside from the eclipse, but when it's time for the sun to shine, the sun will shine. When it's time for the moon to shine, the moon will shine. When it's time for the stars to shine, the stars will shine. So what I'm trying to say is that everybody, they all have their time to shine. So if it's not your time to shine yet, don't give up. It just means that you need to work harder. When the sun is shining, that the moon is not shining, the moon is conserving its energy so that it can shine very well at night. Do you understand? My favorite shows, Game of Thrones, like that. I'm waiting for King of today. Please, what year? This is 2018 already now. I think they usually bring like new seasons every July or June. I'm not sure, but around that period. So I'm waiting like eagerly for that season 9 or so. I think they said that this season will be the last one. So I love Game of Thrones, anything that has to do with vampires, supernatural stuff, like I don't know, but you get the idea of what I'm saying. So like Lost, The Grimm, Midnight Texas, those are like a couple of series that I really like. And Korean movies, Korean series, like epic series. My best, Empress Ki. Guys, if you haven't seen Empress Ki, you're missing. Go and watch it before you die, okay? That Empress Ki is on point. And then Jewelry in the Palace or something. That was a very interesting, epic Korean series. So with that, I've come to the end of my get to know me tag with all these questions answered. I feel confident that you should know me better. You should know my favorite colors, when I was born, when my birthday is, what I like and what I don't like. So that basically concludes concludes this video.